In this session, we'll understand what is demand schedule and demand curve. So first of all, what is demand schedule? It's a tabular statement which is going to show how many commodities are demanded at different prices. Okay, let's look at this hypothetical demand schedule. Here, what you can infer is when the price is 5, quantity demanded of a particular product is 10 units. When the price is 4, quantity demanded is 20 units. When it is 3, it is 30 units. When it is 2, 40 units. And when it is 1, it is 50 units. It's a hypothetical situation, but what you can infer is when your price is high, the demand is very low, and when your price is very low, demand is very high. Okay, fine. But understand one thing, demand schedule will show you how many commodities or how much commodities are demanded at different prices. Okay, then what is this demand curve? Let's understand. Already we have seen demand schedule. That demand schedule can be converted into demand curve by measuring the price on vertical axis and quantity on horizontal axis. Let me show you that. Already I have shown you that hypothetical demand schedule. Okay, we'll use that hypothetical demand schedule. So look at here, hypothetical demand schedule. When the price is 5, the demand is 10. When the price is 1, demand is 50. Okay, and for that demand schedule, if you draw demand curve, it will look like this, where you can see price on vertical axis and quantity demanded on horizontal axis. And what you can notice is when the price is around 5, okay, when the price is around 5, if I mark it somewhere here, the demand is 10 units. Okay, whereas when the price is 4, the demand is increasing. When the price is 3, the demand is increasing, and when the price is 1, the demand comes up to 50. Okay, and if you join these two lines, you get demand curve, that is DD1. Okay, by joining these two, you get DD1. So we can say DD1 is the demand curve, and this demand curve is actually sloping downwards from left to right. And what we can infer is when the price rises, there will be lesser demand, and when price decreases, there will be more demand. Okay, and this represents inverse relationship. This represents inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, because you can see when the price increases, the quantity demanded is decreasing, and when the price decreases, quantity demand is increasing, other things remaining constant. Okay, now we'll have a question, why this demand curve is sloping downwards? Demand curve is sloping downwards because or due to operation of law of diminishing marginal utility. This law says that when you consume additional unit of commodity, for every additional unit of commodity, the satisfaction what you get will keep coming down. Okay, so additional unit of commodity gives lesser satisfaction, and that is the essence of law of diminishing marginal utility, and consumers will be buying more only when the price is low, because their satisfaction levels are coming down. So they need an incentive to buy more, so they'll be looking at lower price. Okay, so here the demand curve is sloping downwards because of operational of say law of diminishing marginal utility, and if you could recollect, marginal utility curve also slopes downwards.